Okay, so let's get started. So I think you must be very familiar with support and resistance, I think. I'm assuming.
Yeah,
Yes. So it's
some of them,
actually
not all, but
okay.
yeah.
So you can see this 9 I draw on my chart. Let me just make it big. So this is just my trading view. So this is SPY. So I just pretend you trade SPY. So let's just make a trading plan for this for today. And
Okay.
this is a 9 I draw to help me to make a trading plan for a day actually.
Okay.
So we can see from long-term picture. Actually, this is daily chart. You can see that. And
Okay.
from the daily picture, we actually know this kind of area, which is 410-ish and a straight 80-ish is very big level, right? So
Yeah.
so far the 9 just keep going up and give us kind of like a trend line support right here. So it's more like trend line trending up, and this is more like a triangle, keep consolidation and going very tight so far. And this is a resistance level we draw for the long term. So let's just zone it big so you can see that much clearly. So
Yeah.
actually I marked down couple price right here. So this is 415.72, which is the high of this day, and 515.05, which is this doji's high, and that's 416, I think is this doji's high, and that's 418. Let me just change it a little bit. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so that's 416, and this is 418. So that's actually the price I marked on my chart. So help me to know which price is much important compared to others. And that's a low for last Friday, and that's the daily chart I draw. So this is a couple important support level I draw on my chart. So let's just go to 15 minutes chart so you can see that much clearly. So from the 50-minute chart, actually you can see where this 2 nines comes from. It's more like this kind of, downside of trade, kind of go inside this way. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
And so far, I mean, for the last 2 trading day, we can see actually the SPY is kind of slowing down. You see that? So actually what
Yeah.
we thinking was it's like going this, going down, up, and down, up, and going to maybe this level, and keep going down, and keep playing this kind of range. I can still play that. However, in past 2 days, actually what we see is this thing kind of slowing down. You see this kind of green line right here, this 410-ish level,
Okay.
kind of slowing down and kind of trying to find some support right here. So maybe possibly play in this way. So that's what I'm thinking for this. So let's go to another kind of chart so you can see that much clearly. So this is this data right here, include the pre-market data and after-market data. So you can see that actually exactly like what we are thinking. So actually we already have a range for day. So today we know there's no important economic data release, and there's not huge things. The only thing we might put in our mind today is couple important earnings.